Kami ni Piolo, I mean, when Direct Mike first talked to me about the concept, about the film, sabi niya sa akin, it's ganito, ganyan. Medyo nasyak ako. I had, medyo nagdalawang isip ako kasi it's a serious film. Sabi nga ng Direct, it's a non-political, political film. Parang, I was asking myself, bagay ba sa akin? And another question was, kaya ko ba ito? And then, till finally, medyo parang okay na sa akin. I asked him, sino mga kasama, sino cast? Sabi ni Direk, we're negotiating with Piolo Pascual. Okay, go na tayo. Sabi ko. It's not every movie na, kasi we belong to different stations before. So we never had the chance to be together in one film. So this is one pagkakataon na hindi ko kayang palampasin. At yung bonding namin ni Piolo, I was asked before, kumusta ang bonding nyo? Hindi kami nagbabanding. Kasi hindi ko siya kilala eh. Yung character niya, as Lakan, I don't know him. Wala siya. Tinatwa ito eh. Tinatwa is, in English, is outcast. So wala akong pakialam sa kanya. It just so happens, pag malapit ng yung climax ng istorya, doon kami magtatagpo. Doon kami nag-banding. Sumobrang banding namin. Rurok na yung naging banding namin.
Sa akin, yeah, it's like what Bossy said. It was really hard to mingle with everyone, not just with each other, because we had to be in our character, be focused. So even sa set, tig-isa-isa kami kasi kailangan nakapokus kami sa gagawin namin. It was a fun film to shoot, but it was really hard because of the lines, because of the costumes, because of the set, because of the pressure. So I think we were all doing some sort of a method just for us to get into our character and make sure na hindi kami magbe-break ng character. So we never had a chance to talk with each other, we never had a chance to bond. And it worked well for the film. Kasi kinailangan namin yun para in the end, pag nakita na kami, makikita namin yun kung ano talaga yung kailangan namin sa isa't isa. Pero I've always been a fan, so nakikita ko pa lang siya eh. Sabi ko parang ako nangangarap eh. It was like living my dream, you know, na makasama ko yung isang Vic Soto. So wow.
Thank you very much, Piolo. Thank you very much, Bossing. Any additional questions, Romel?
For my last question sa inyong dalawa pa din, nung nag-bonding na kayo, ano yung na-discover nyo sa isa't isa na medyo nagulat o natuwa kayo?
Okay, isa lang na-discover ko. I've heard about this guy before. Magaling daw ng artista, ganyan. Napatunayan ko na he is a seriously good actor. As a matter of fact, in one of the sequences that we were together, medyo pinapanood ko siya nung wala akong take. Medyo nag-fanboy mode ako. Totoo yun, totoo. Pinapanood ko na siya. Ang galing! Ang haba ng dialogue pero hindi siya nagkakamali. Ako kapraso lang, bumabakil pa eh. Yun na napatunayan ko na seriously good actor. Not just a good actor, he is a good person. In and out. Magaling ito.
Thank you, Bossy. Hindi ko na po alam sasabihin ko. One thing I discovered about boxing was, you know, you're not gonna last long in this business if your heart is not in the right place. And I must say, so nakita ko yung dedication sa craft, yung commitment niya sa trabaho, yung sa pagmamahal niya not just sa trabaho, pero yung sa buong paligid niya, sa environment niya, yung professionalism. You know, you're not gonna last long in this business. Staying on top if you are not that good of a person, if your heart is not good. And that's what I saw. Napakabait na tao ni Bossing. Sobra.
Congratulations sa inyong lahat.